Recently somebody was asking, or they were telling me that they had problems taking this plastic retainer out to change the spark plug wires. What the trick was, it actually just clips in. If you look from the side, you can see the clips, so I don't see how difficult it could be in terms of looking at it. When you look at something, you should be able to determine how it comes apart. So there's the clip here, and you just pull forward on this. Well, actually, let me just disconnect the plug wires first. I'm changing them anyway, so I might as well. So there's one, or number 4 to be exact. This is number 3. It's number 2. Number 1. So you put your hand here and you put your hand here and you wiggle or pull forward. There's one side and there's the other. Let's take the cap off as well. It'll be easier with a different screwdriver. I'm not working at my bench, so I don't have my tools handy. There's one. Just push down and turn. Okay. So the cap can come out. Disconnect the center lead or the coil wire. Okay, and then all you do is you pull on this thing and you feed the cables through. Number 3, number 2's hanging up. So you just manipulate it however you need to, and it comes out. So you can see here the retaining tabs. So all it is C-clips that it mounts in, and you can see the clips right there. Okay, with it out, you just open up this thing, put in the new wires, and then feed it back in the same way and push it into place. Quoting Leon, it's as simple as that. No need for me to show me. It's as simple as that.
Sorted.